In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a TXT record in Hostinger with our journey starting right from logging into your account. First things first, to get started, head over to Hostinger's website and proceed to the login page. Enter your credentials and click that login button to access the dashboard. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already. Now, to access the DNS settings, look for the Domains section on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Give it a click, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select DNS Zone Editor. This is where you'll be able to manage all domain-related settings, including adding the new TXT record. Now that you're in the DNS Zone Editor, you'll see a list of existing records. We're going to add a new one today. Look for the button that says Add New Record, and click on it to bring up the form where you'll enter the details for your new TXT record. Here's where things get a bit more specific, so watch closely. You'll notice there's a drop-down menu here, and you'll need to choose TXT as the record type. This is important because it tells the DNS system that you're adding a text record, which is typically used for verification purposes or to store information about a domain. Go ahead and select TXT from the list. Now let's talk about the details that you'll need to enter. You'll see a field labeled Name or Host. Usually, you'll enter an @ symbol if you're applying this to the main domain. Alternatively, if you want to apply this to a subdomain, you'd enter the subdomain name here instead. So be clear about what part of your domain you're specifically targeting with this record. Next, there's the TXT value field. This is where your actual verification code comes in. If you're doing this as part of a verification process, for instance, maybe you're setting up an email service or confirming ownership with a third party, you've likely been given a specific text value to enter here. Carefully input this code without any errors, as accuracy is critical for successful verification. With all those details filled in, it's time to save your changes. Look for a button labeled Save or Save Changes and click on it. Once saved, it can take some time for these changes to propagate through the DNS system, so don't worry if they're not immediately reflected everywhere. And there you have it, you've successfully added a TXT record to your domain using Hostinger. By following these steps, you can ensure your domain's TXT records are configured correctly, be it for verification or other purposes. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our channel for more useful tutorials.